If you're thinking about financing your next vehicle, you might want to watch this whole entire video. This is crazy.
Sir, it's up for repo.
In the past 12 months, 48% of applicants faced a rejection on at least one loan application, according to a new Bankrate survey. Digging into these numbers, 45% of applicants with scores between 670 and 799, which is considered to be good or very good credit, are being denied. So why is that happening?
It's coming from the lender side, where lenders are getting a little bit pickier about who they approve for loans.
What do we know about how these denials affect those trying to borrow?
65% of Americans who were rejected say that it negatively impacted their finances. And some of the sticking points for me that were really worrisome were 22% said they felt more stressed about their finances. 14% even said that they pursued alternative financing like a payday loan or buy now, pay later or cash advances.
See, that's one of the worst things you can do, guys, is get a payday loan. The interest rates on those payday loans is like through the roof. I'd rather people ask family members or ask a close friend before you do a payday loan. Trust me, you don't want to do that. I've been down that road before. Like I said, I ain't perfect. I had to learn some things the hard way. And getting a payday loan is definitely one of the things you do not want to do. Trust me.
Is the lower income spectrum. They're relying on credit to make ends meet right now.
Yep.
Jeff and Aaron, it's clear that lenders are worried about a growing number of defaults. They've had more charge-offs in the last year than they have in over a decade.
That's because during the pandemic, a lot of people overpaid for their cars. So now people are trying to get new cars and trying to trade their old cars in, and they're so underwater, upside down, meaning they owe way more on their car than it's worth. So a lot of people are just walking away from their loans. So now the banks are being real skeptical about who they loan money to. It's getting crazy out here, guys.
Hey, bro. What are you doing? What's going on?
Why are you towing the car?
Why are you towing it?
I'm here with the finance company. They sent us over here.
Why?
For the car.
I'm not behind on payments.
That's something you got.
Can you stop?
No.
What are you talking about?
I'll give you the information.
I need to get my stuff out of this car.
For my safety, you're not supposed to be in the car right now, brother. You're being recorded too.
But dude, they can't take this car. I don't owe money on this car.
Right, I'm taking the car.
You know what? How come everybody always in denial? You know if you've been paying your car note or not. And sometimes that is true. You may pay it late and it might not reach the bank in time. So my advice is if you do have a car note, please try to pay that thing on time because they will come get it, rich or poor.
Because it's already legally repossessed. It's under my possession at this point.
I don't owe money on this car.
To you, I'm not trying to be to you. Yeah, I'll show it to you. It's right here.
How'd you know the car was here?
You got trackers, bro.
I'm not doubting you whatsoever that you're not past due, that you don't know any money on it. I don't know the reasons why they want us to pick up the car. They gave us the order. They said the car's located at this address.
That's too much.
I just want to make a quick phone call, bro. That's it.
I drive this 2 hours right now, bro. So, I mean, I'm not trying to spend any more time than I have to.
It's already in possession. I don't want to leave my... Can you get my phone? It's inside.
Them tow trucks be creeping, bro. Look at baby man, he back there on the phone. He be paying attention. That's crazy. They would repossess any car. I don't care how old it is.
Sir, it's up for repo. It's up for repo.
Brother, no.
Sir. It's okay. Listen, sir. We're taking it no matter
That's
what.
wild.
We're taking it. Sir. Make the payment on it. I'm recording because you're going to go to jail. Sir, you're going to go to jail. It's okay.
How come everybody always yelling, no, I made the payment? Obviously, you didn't make the payment, man. Or they wouldn't be trying to repo your car.
Sir, make the payment on it. I'm recording because you're going to go to jail. Sir, you're going to go to jail. It's okay. It's okay.
Who he telling they taking his car? Like, what they going to do? Oh, man. Going flipping at the little shopping gallery. I mean, people always trying to get in the car. Like, what you gonna do, bro? It's nothing you can do. You already hitched up. It's a wrap. we got? This can't be good. Oh, they great. Double team a daggone car. Oh, okay. Oh, they got the police with them. Dang, what's that, a Maserati? Wow. Well, I thought that was police. That's just somebody pulling up. Look. He trying to run over there. Oh, that's the tow truck driver. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna keep my car here right now.
You're not. It's gonna come with me.
Okay, well, then
I don't understand why people do that.
Oh, well, yes, I will. Oh my God, I will. Until police come and they talk to them.
See, that's the thing is, I don't want to have to call the cops.
Oh,
and
I
then
will.
rip you off
I'm
there.
about to for you. I'm about to for you because no, they illegally been trying to take my car for the past 2 weeks. I'm not even talking
What?
for the past 2 months. Illegally.
Oh, that joint already linked
This
up.
was
It's a
not supposed
wrap.
to be paid in March. It is now July. Why now are they doing it?
Because it takes 3 months for a
No,
car to
I've
get
been trying to pay them every single day.
Tried
I
to
call
pay them.
Every day. I have proof.
It's sad, man. Like, I'm laughing at the video, not laughing at them. I mean, because this can happen to anybody. Don't get it twisted. I'm just laughing at the video. It's hilarious. But the actual situation is not cool. Man, they dragging that joint. That's crazy. Wow, he up in the yard. Man, that joint wrecked. Oh my God, man. They repoing a wrecked car. These folks don't care, man. These bodies crazy. I did not know they would repo a wrecked car, man. I guess if you behind on the pavement just because you crashed it, that don't mean that, you know, they can't still sell it to a junkyard. What is that? Look like a full. So there you have it, guys. Another repo video, man. Like I said, it's getting wild out here. If you have a car note, please make sure you pay it. If you pay cash for your car, you're probably in a way better position, but everybody can't pay cash. Sometimes people got to finance. But if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and keep the videos rolling. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.